Installing retropi. First thing to do is download the retropi, open Rufus, and select the retropi image to write to your SD card. And click OK. Click Start, let it run. Click OK, and let it run. Takes a little bit. We skip past all the waiting. Close Rufus. Pull your SD card out. Insert SD card into your Raspberry Pi and power it up. Voila, retropi. Now we'll set up the Wi-Fi. It's best to use a Raspberry Pi 3 because it has built-in Wi-Fi. Still waiting for it to load. And still waiting. Now this part here is configuring the gamepad. Some gamepads are detected. I got cheap USB ones. So it's just up, down, left, right, start, select, A, B, X, Y, left, right. For the rest of them, you just hold A or B to skip them. For the hotkey, press start and select at the same time. And OK. Okay, now go down to the Wi-Fi. Hit A or B, can't remember which one. You have to set your region, your country. So click OK. Scroll down to your country. And pause it here, the video, to get down to my country because it's way at the bottom. Okay. Click cancel. Set up Wi-Fi. Okay. Pick your SSID from the list. Click OK. And you're going to have to connect the keyboard to type in your passphrase. And OK. Now you're on Wi-Fi. The next video, this shows how to put games on here. Thanks. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.